couple of days later, and finally the badges are done and they're back on the car. So the idea was to go with the gloss black with a bit of clear coat on top. So it was not a lot of work, but it just took time because obviously the weather and it's in winter. But finally the badges are on the car, everything is done. I've also done the Hilux and the 4x4 and the rest of the badges. The idea is to go with the gloss black theme around the car. I'll show you other parts that we've done in black, just to refurbish them. This was recently painted now, just to refresh the whole carrier bar thing with Legend 50 in gloss black. Then I've also done the refurbishment of the bull bar in the front of the car, just to keep with that gloss black theme. The Toyota badge also in gloss black, and the Hilux together with the 4x4. Everything is just nice on the car now with everything gloss black. There you have it. The badges are done on the Hilux and it's looking nice. It's one of a kind, one of the exclusive models. So comment down below, let me know what you think of this upgrade or refurb or whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and click on the bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and I'll catch you in the next one.